Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. So today I am so excited to open this huge box. So Double Dip reached out to me and sent me this package, and I am so excited to open it because this one is one of their dip powder kits. So when you open the box, this is how it looks like. It is well packaged, and wow, I am so excited to see that super cute pouch. So this is my first kit with them, but I already tried their dip powders, but I haven't personally tried the kit yet, so I don't know what comes with a kit, but it comes with that cute iridescent pouch. It also comes with these foils. These are foils, I believe, and I love that they are multicolored, so I can use this in the holidays. And yeah, I'm so excited to try that. It also comes with this dip powder instruction manual. So this is going to be helpful for those of you who are still beginners, and I am so excited when I saw this because this is their famous duster brush, and I love the mermaid design, and this is my first time having their brush, and I am really super happy. So yeah, if you are in hunt of a nice brush, make sure to check them out. And here are the dip powders. So this kit comes with 6 dip powders. You can actually bought this the whole kit or just the dip powders alone, and this one is called Mermaid Kisses and Starfish Wishes. So that is a collaboration with Angelic Nails from Instagram, and I believe she's one of their ambassadors. So I opened this box and it comes with the essentials that you need. It comes with replacement brushes, buffing block. So there's also a nail file and manicure stick. So this one are just some cards and details about them. And here are the liquids. So I got all the step 1 to 4 liquids, the dip base, activator, and top coat, and the green one I believe is a brush saver. And this is everything that is included in the kit. I am really loving this kit. It is so perfect for those of you who like to have everything that you need. So this one retails for $59.99 for the whole kit, and when you like the dip powders alone, it is $39.99. So make sure to check them out. And here are the swatches of the colors. I am so in love with everything. I really love turquoise, pink, and I love this peachy nude here. I am so in love with these colors. They are so perfect together. And yeah, let's now begin with the manicure. So I'll be using this French dip tray, and I'll be doing some marble design. And for my base color, I'll be using this Sugar Swizzle. So I'm just going to pour some in the tray and then add the other colors. So for the first color that I'll be putting, this one is called Peach Perfect. So I am just putting it in random spaces, and I am not putting a lot. I am just making sure that I leave spaces for the other colors. So this blue one is called Mint Julep. So again, I'm just placing some of it, and this color is called Sweet Pea. So it's a nice purple with some gold shimmer into it. So after I put all the colors, I am just going to gently swirl everything, but not too much. Just a little bit of swirl to kind of mix the colors. So after I did this, I am going now to use double dip base. So this one is their step number 2, the red cup, and then apply it on my ring finger. And then I am just going to lay my finger on top of the powder. I am not like moving my finger a lot. I just lay it there and then make sure that the sides are also covered. So I am going to add more layers later. Okay, so far this is how it looks like. So I'm just going to shake the powder, and we'll be adding again the colors. So I am just going to do the same process that I did and let you guys watch, and I will be back. And this is with 2 layers. I am now happy with how it looks like, so I am just dusting off all the excess powders, and then I am now going to start applying the other colors on my other fingers. So I'll start again with applying the purple one, which is Sweet Pea, and we'll be applying it on my pointer finger and pinky. So this is after I apply the color Sweet Pea. So now let's move on with Sugar Swizzle, and I'll be applying this color on my thumb. So now that I applied all my colors, I am going to encapsulate them and apply clear dip powder. So I did that off cam, and this is after I applied the clear. So now it's time to activate. So I'm going to use this step number 3. This is the activator of double dip. So I'm just going to let this dry and then do all my filing and shaping off cam, and this is after I did that. And now I am going to do some nail stamping. So first I'm going to apply this MANIOLOGY sticky base coat as my sticky layer. So after applying this, I am going to wait for about 30 to 40 seconds before I stamp on it. And for the plate, I'll be using this plate from Mundo de Unas, and this gold rush stamping polish from MANIOLOGY. So here is the outcome. It is a little bit sheer, but it is still pretty. So I'm just going to stamp a mermaid tail on my pinky finger. So I am done with my quick stamping work. So I am now going to use this creations like gel, rhinestone gel, to adhere this cute holographic seashell. So I'm going to apply this on my thumb. So after that, I just cured that in the lamp, and then I also applied some rhinestones to kind of add more design. And this is how it looks like. So I already did that off cam, but I just use a gel top coat to adhere those rhinestones. And after curing my thumb, it's now time to top coat the rest of my nails and then cure it in the lamp for 60 seconds. So my nails are now cured. I am now going to apply cuticle oil, and I'll be using this Mermazing scent from Scales of a Mermaid. So I love that it is also in the mermaid theme and I really love the scent of this. It is so amazing. So if you want to purchase from Scales of a Mermaid, I'll be putting the link in the description box. So here is the finished look. I am finally done. I am so happy with the outcome, and I love that marble nails. They are so dreamy. So yeah, I'll be putting all the details in the description box below if you want to purchase this kit, and they also have a lot of more kits in their website. So make sure to check Double Dip. So thank you so much again for watching. Bye!